Good evening, reception. How can I help you? Good evening. I'm Jason Clarkson from room 525. How do I get an outside line? Would you like to make a local or international call? An international call, please. Dial 9. After the dial tone has been reached, dial 011. Then enter the country code, city code, and the number. What is the country code for Indonesia? It's 62. Thank you. Can I have a wake-up call at 5:30, please? Certainly, Mr. Clarkson. Is there anything else, sir? Yes, I'm a bit hungry. Can I order room service? Of course, sir. What would you like to order? I'd like something light. Perhaps a bowl of soup and a scone. Also, a bowl of fruit salad, please. Is there anything else, Mr. Clarkson? No, that'll be all, thanks. Oh, can I have breakfast in my room tomorrow morning? Certainly, Mr. Clarkson. What time would you like to have breakfast? At around 7-ish? Noted, Mr. Clarkson. Let me confirm your orders for tonight. A bowl of soup, a scone, and a bowl of fruit salad. That's correct. Alright, Mr. Clarkson. We will have it delivered to your room in about 15 to 20 minutes. Yes, thank you. If you need anything else, please let us know. Have a pleasant evening, Mr. Clarkson. Let's read the following useful phrases. Mari kita baca frase-frase yang berguna berikut ini. How do I get an outside line? What is the country code for Indonesia? Can I have a wake-up call at 5:30, please? Can I order room service? Can I have breakfast in my room tomorrow morning? What time would you like to have breakfast? At around 7-ish. Is there anything else? Alright, that's the lesson for today. Jangan lupa untuk klik subscribe dan icon bell yang ada di sebelahnya untuk mendapatkan notifikasi video-video terbaru dari Honey English Club. Thank you for watching. See you next time.